Hi, EX Squared here. Today we'll discuss a challenge many digital experience platform users know all too well. Your DXP implementation isn't delivering the results you expected. Whether it's live but underperforming or stuck in development limbo, you're watching valuable time and budget slip away. You've invested in expert consultants, comprehensive user training, and impressive demos that showed real promise. Yet here you are, hitting roadblocks, searching for answers. You just want the value that you were promised. To help you pinpoint exactly where your implementation went off track and determine whether you need a new strategic partnership to revive it, we've developed a series of steps. Today, we'll focus on one critical indicator: performance issues within your DXP content environment. Performance problems typically stem from one of three key areas: code quality and configuration, data management, and infrastructure resources. Let's briefly discuss each. Code quality and configuration. Are your content editors consistently frustrated by sluggish save times, delayed updates? Do publishing workflows feel endless, with changes taking forever to appear live on your website? These symptoms directly point to underlying code and configuration issues. Through hundreds of DXP audits and health checks, we've identified and resolved these exact problems, dramatically improving user satisfaction and productivity. While website visitors may never notice these backend improvements, your marketing and content teams certainly will. Data management. Your DXP serves as the digital gateway between your customers and brand. It's not meant to be a dusty archive of outdated marketing materials. These platforms will perform optimally when non-published content is regularly audited and removed. Think of it as a digital decluttering or spring cleaning for peak performance. Also to note is the idea of Composable DXP Architecture, which the industry is rapidly moving towards. This involves breaking traditional monolithic platforms into specialized interconnected components, allowing organizations to select only what they need. It's a significant shift that brings its own performance advantages as data is segregated by platform and signals the end to the one-size-fits-all CMS era. And finally, infrastructure. DXPs have unique hardware, server, and scalability requirements that differ significantly from standard websites. Success requires a deep understanding of how these components interact. One good example of this is user tracking. DXPs often monitor user behavior and key events across pages, but inadequate resources in the right spots for processing and storing this data can create hidden bottlenecks that slow down your entire system. If any of these issues sound familiar, or you'd like to explore how a fresh perspective could unlock your DXP's potential, we're absolutely here to help. Please reach out to us at exsquared.com.